All right, we're going on a quick test drive. We have 19,045 miles on this vehicle, and it is really, really nice. Now that screen flickering, that's just in camera, that is not in person. Steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. We're in Sport Plus. This interior smells new, looks new. Absolutely gorgeous. All the carbon bits look nice. Drives really well. I have no complaints on how it drives. Very peppy. All right, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, you do have some discoloration right here. Overall though, in great condition. Looking at that fender, got a rock chip up top, a couple markings, a couple rock chips, overall in great condition. That A-pillar looks really nice. Door looks good. Typical fading on the step here. That door looks nice. We do have some scratches on that plastic. Got a little marking up here. Overall, that looks good. That wheel's in good condition. Headlight looks good. A couple markings here. Little rock chips, all very subtle. That's a very clean front end though so far. Looks nice. Got a little chip here. Beautiful. This plastic is faded, so you're going to have a little bit of a purple hue to it. Really common. A couple scratches there. A couple markings. That fender looks nice. That wheel looks good. Here on the side mirror, a couple rock chips. Overall, that A-pillar looks good. A couple small scuffs. Little chip right there. Besides that though, this looks really nice. Wheel looks good. Got a chip there. A couple chips here on the edge. Really nice. Checking out the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is just as clean as the outside. All of this is absolutely perfect. Leather has that nice matte finish to it. Looking at this trim, looks good. Tiny little scuff here, otherwise in great condition. That seat looks good. Alcantara, it's matted down just a little bit but still has a nice soft feel to it. Buttons look good. Carbon inserts here look nice. Upper section's perfect. All of that looks really nice. Typical like micro scuffs or scratches or whatever you want to call them on that plastic, that gloss black trim. Other than that, this is absolutely perfect. Here on the front right door panel, got the carbon here. That looks amazing. Memory seating. That is a beautiful door panel. That kick plate looks good. Carpets are nice and clean. That bolster looks really nice. Absolutely gorgeous seat. All of that looks good. Love the carbon. Dash looks nice. Got the massive roof. Very, very clean. Here on the back right door panel, got the carbon. Leather looks good. All of that trim is clean. Seats have that nice matte finish to them. really good. Cargo area is very clean. And then checking out the engine bay, got all the carbon here. Looks amazing.